Welcome to lecture number 2. In this lecture, we will discuss some more basics and important things in HTML learning. Okay, the things we will study in this lecture are line break and comment system in HTML. So, open your Sublime text editor and let's start. Okay, suppose you are writing a paragraph, alright, and you need extra space between them. So first of all, complete the document type. Our second class, in body, let me show you what I want to teach you today. Paragraph tag. This is our paragraph, and another paragraph. This is our another paragraph. Okay, I want a space, extra space between them, like not less than 1 lines, but more than 5 lines, like this. I want this much space between them. So save the file, open the browser. Okay, can you see there is no space between them? There is no space, only 1 line space, because the HTML ignore all these spaces between them. This is the function of HTML. So if we need a space between 2 paragraphs, we have to use line break. And remember, I told you most of the HTML tags have closing, ending, opening and ending. Only few tags don't have a closing, so BR line break is the one tag who don't have a closing tag. So let me copy it more. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. I want 4 lines. So now the HTML document, when they will process the file into browser, they will count these four lines. Now let me show you the browser. Refresh. Now you can see. So this is about the line break, how we can create a space between 2 paragraphs and 2 headings or whatever you are doing with. Okay, so it's done with the line break. You should practice, write something, create a space, create a line break. Okay, so next thing is about the comment system in HTML. Okay, so first of all, what is comment? Comment is a type of text or note you write down in the editor which can't be seen in the browser. Okay, this comment can't be seen in the browser. This comment can only be seen by the editor or the developer, and this is the very important thing, very important to being a part of the professional web developer. People ignore this, mostly in Asian countries. People ignore this thing, posting a good comment in every code, every type of code. So practice comment, write comment, and explain your code. Okay, so let me show you how comment system work. Like I am writing a paragraph. This is a paragraph, and comment tag is like this. You have to close comment. Whatever you write here, comment, whatever you write here can't be seen in the browser. This is for the developers only. They can only see this. And why this is important, and this is very useful for being a professional web developer. Whenever you're writing something, whenever you're writing a code, like you are visiting your same website after 5 years, sorry, and you have written a code with 100 of spaces or whatever, and you are thinking, why I have so many spaces? So create this section, explain here why you have so many line breaks in the system, or why you have so many functions, or what you have done here, especially what you have done here, what is going on here. Explain this here. So if you visit your code after the 5 years, so it will be very easy to understand that what you have done here. You can read your comment. Another thing is like you have completed a website, and now on that website any other developer is working. So if any other developer is working, it's without a comments. So 90, 50, 60% he will understand the code what is going on, and few spaces and few functions or headings or paragraph he will be confused that what is going on here. So he have to study all the code and understand what is going on here. So if you have already commented that what is going on here, so it will be very easy to understand to that new developer that what is going on here. So it is a very good habit. Make it a good habit. Whatever you type, whatever you do, comment, explain for yourself, and if any other developer is working on that file, so it will be easy to understand for him also. Okay, let me show you. This can be seen in the browser. This is our browser. Refresh and you can see a comment here. Whatever you write here, whatever you write here, this can be seen here because this is a comment. This is only for the developer. Okay, in last lecture I told you about some headings. I want to show you something else with the headings. As I told you, there are so many tags, but I can't teach you each and every. I will show you the important one, the useful one. Okay, so h1 tag, h2, h3, h4. This is heading number 1. Control C, Control V, 2, 3, 4. Save the file and let's go to the browser. Refresh. This is what I want to show you. H1, H2, H3, H4. This is all the difference between H tags. I showed you today H tags, space creating, line break, and the very important system of the HTML, that is comment system. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Have a nice day.